So here it is. It's the barn finder of the year. This baby should be running a few months from now. We're looking it around. Okay guys, here it is. That's what we're talking about. Here we go, focus. The 1981 Honda Odyssey. I believe it's an FL250. It's cool, right? This is going to be the new project for the channel. I need some love, I used to ride this baby. At my uncle's house in Pennsylvania. I was about, I think 10 or 12, maybe 13. So we'll see, she's in rough shape. Check it out. Anyway, we're gonna go in the shop, we're gonna clean her up, we're gonna unload her, and then we'll start working on her next week, so stay tuned. Alright, so now we're gonna put it on the forklift and bring it inside and let it dry off. So, I'm not sure if it runs yet. My uncle said it'll run no problem. The tires definitely need some air in them. All the controls need to be checked. I'm gonna change out the spark plugs. I'm gonna change out all the fuel. I'm gonna change out the air filter and the fuel filter. We're going to mix up some fresh 29 to 1 with some 93 and some gold spectral oil. And hopefully she starts. So now we're going to bring her on inside and we're going to park her over next to a few other pieces of equipment we have in the shop right now. So let's see what happens. It's going to take me a few weeks to get her all back together, and once it is running, we don't know exactly what we're going to do with it yet, but it'll be a fun toy. We need a new air cleaner hose that goes to the box of the roll cage, and a few ancillary items like that. So for now, that's what we got. Alright, so here it is. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We'll keep it going. Thanks for watching.